listening to the Agent Survival Guide podcast, a podcast for today's insurance agents. Informing, educating, empowering, improving the way you do business in an industry that's anything but static.
In today's episode, having an online presence is vital for running a business in today's world. We go to the internet to search for restaurants, hair salons, doctors, so it's fair to say that people search online for insurance agents. A client might recommend your services to friends and family, or someone may find your business card on a community board. Whatever the case is, chances are they will look up your business on the internet before contacting you. When searching for services on Google, often you will see a column populate on the right-hand side of the page, displaying the business name, pictures, contact information, business hours, and more. This is called a Google Business Profile. In this episode, we'll walk you through making your business visible on Google by setting up a Google Business Profile. First, let's look at the benefits of creating a Google Business Profile. Creating a profile is completely free. Potential clients will have access to information like your business website, phone number, office hours, services offered, links to social media pages, and pictures. If you've attended one of Ritter Insurance Marketing's events where we offered free professional headshots, this is a great opportunity to show it off, giving potential clients a face to put with your name. Having a Google Business Profile allows people to leave reviews so others can see the wonderful things your clients have to say about you. Google also gives you access to analytics about your business profile. You can view performance metrics, types of queries people searched to find your business, calls, website clicks, and a lot more. This allows you to identify your target audience and improve your marketing strategies. When you search your business, you may already see a profile set up. Sometimes Google generates a profile by using general information found online. If your business already has a page that you didn't create, don't worry. All you need to do is claim the page as its owner. By claiming the page, you can edit and add details about your business, so searchers have the most recent and accurate information. It's a quick and simple process. So let's go through the steps. Start by going to google.com/INTL/EN_US/business. We will include the link in the episode notes so you can easily access the page. Once you're on the page, click on the Manage Now button. You'll be redirected and asked to type in the name of your business. Then add your business address. If you do not have a physical location to meet clients or work from home and do not want your home address on the Google Business Profile, you can select service areas by city or zip code where you conduct your business. Next, choose your business type. There are 3 options with descriptions. You can choose more than one. Online retail. Customers can purchase products through your website. Local store. Customers can visit your business in person. And service business. Your business makes visits to customers. Choose the type that best describes what your business offers. If you're making a page for an agency or you're an agent with a physical office location, we suggest selecting local store. If you or your agency also makes house calls to clients, select service business. If you're an agent that only conducts house calls and do not have a physical business location, For example, if you work from home but don't meet with your clients in your home, then we suggest solely selecting Service Business. Next, pick a business category. In the drop-down menu, there are options for insurance agency, insurance company, insurance broker, and there are options to be more specific like health insurance agency, life insurance agency, and so on. Select the category that best fits your business. The next step is optional, but it's important to include your business phone number and website. Now that the core information is set, it's time to make your profile more appealing to potential clients. Add the services you offer. Google gives suggestions of services to add, or you can create a custom service. When that's complete, it's time to add your business hours. Here, you can select the days of the week and hour range that you are open for business. With a set range of hours displayed, people are more likely to contact you during these times, meaning less chances for a late-night phone call about coverage. We have episodes about communicating with your clients and prospects through phone and text, including tips on etiquette, compliance, and best practices. We'll have those linked in the episode notes. Highly recommend you give those a listen. After you've added your contact information, write a brief business description. Once that's done, you can add photos to your profile. Remember that headshot we mentioned earlier? You can add it here, and if you have a physical location, add pictures of the outside of your building. This will make it easier for new clients to find it. Photos also add a sense of credibility to your business. While setting up your profile, Google gives you the option to start advertising your business with Google Ads. If this is something that you're interested in learning about, let us know. It helps us better serve you when we know what types of content you're looking for. You can send in your questions at asgpodcast@ritterim.com. Next, Google will ask you if you want to try Google Workspace. With this service, you can create a custom domain for your website, custom and secure business email, cloud storage, appointment scheduling, and email marketing. Just like Google Ads, this is optional. Your profile should be good to go at this point. The only thing left to do is verify your business. You can do so by phone, text, email, or video. This process may take a few days as Google verifies your business. We'll include a link to Google's support page about business verification in the episode notes so you can learn more. Once Google contacts you and confirms your business has been verified, your profile will be visible to the public and you can start connecting with customers. By creating a Google business profile, your business becomes more accessible to a larger network. Being verified and visible on Google also offers a level of credibility for you and your business. It only takes a few minutes to set up, and we highly recommend you do so. If you have any questions or topics for episodes you want to hear, you can reach out to us at astpodcast@ritterim.com or by leaving a voicemail on our hotline, 717-562-7211. Thank you so much for listening. We will see you next episode. The Agent Survival Guide podcast is a production of Ritter Insurance Marketing, an Integrity company. This episode was written and produced by me, Tina Lamoureux. Script editing by Sarah Ruppel. Podcast design by Urban Rivera. Artwork by Vivian Zhao. Rate and review our show on Apple or Spotify.